Reduce left and right margins in Matplotlib plot. I'm struggling to deal with my plot margins in Matplotlib. I've used the code below to produce my chart. However, I get an output figure with lots of white space on either side of the plot. I've searched Google and read the Matplotlib documentation, but I can't seem to find how to reduce this.
One way to automatically do this is the bbox_inches equals type corg to plt.save fig. E.g. Another way is to use fig.tight_layout.
You can adjust the spacing around Matplotlib figures using the subplots_adjust function. This will work for both the figure on screen and save to a file, and it is the right function to call even if you don't have multiple plots on the one figure. The numbers are fractions of the figure dimensions, and will need to be adjusted to allow for the figure labels.
All you need is before your output. In addition to cutting down the margins, this also tightly groups the space between any subplots.
Just use x equals fig.add_axis, left, bottom, width, height, if you want exact control of the figure layout, e.g.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.